Yo, what's up guys? It's Kasper again. Cheers for tuning in if you're new. If you're a sub, thanks. But today's going to be a fun project. I'm actually going to be turning an old skateboard into a pinball machine. So I hope you got them coins ready, but before we get started, let's cue the intro. So I'm actually going to be making this out of two skateboards. So this is going to be the board that I cut the flippers out, the bumpers, all the 3D elements, and then we're going to move over to the other skateboard and get working on that. And for anybody wondering, this skateboard you won't actually be able to use as a pinball machine. It's more just hung as one, but let's see how I go with this one, and I might even do that in the future. And that's a wrap on the 3D elements. I got the flippers, the bumpers, and the skateboard all carved up. But I want to add a few more elements to this, so I'm going to chuck some holes in the board. Now let's get stuck into that painting. So we got some nice vibrant base colors down on that skateboard, but I'm going to grab these other little elements out, paint them in, do them a little brighter just to separate them away from the board, and yeah, let's see what happens. Looks pretty sweet to me so far. Let's jump on that airbrush and really bring those colors out. This is where it gets fun in a whole different way. I'm actually going to stab open these spray cans and use the marbles that rattle around the paint to be the pinballs on the machine. So I think one of my favorite things about this skateboard is it's mostly made from recycled materials. The skateboard was trashed and ready to be thrown out, and the spray cans were completely empty. So, you know, look around your house, see what you can find, and you'll be surprised what you can make too. And while I was playing around with my drill and the spray paint, I actually realized one of the drill bits fit perfectly for these caps, so I thought I'd add them in. So here came the biggest challenge of the whole project, and it's getting these marbles into the piece. I found a few little drill bits and I experimented before getting into this, but I think this is going to work, and I think it's going to look pretty sweet. So I think that's a wrap. I'm just going to chuck a string through the deck bolts here to make it hangable, but let's see what the finished product looks like. So this one's actually going to be living in an art exhibition coming up, so I'm pretty stoked for that. But if you did enjoy this video, like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff, and I will catch you on the next one.